Hello, Last Garden Standing. I'm just going to do an update on my watermelon in a cage. There's actually one good one right there that's growing. It looks great. It's still quite small, but that's okay. It's got some time to grow. Here's my cage here, the whole thing. And there's one just right there in that corner. But there's also one hanging from this side too. There it is. It's a little bit smaller, but it's coming along. So even if we have to leave it in here for another month or two, we will. We'll see how they do. This is an experiment. I didn't know if I'd get any. Those are the only two that I've seen come on. There's been a couple others that didn't make it. So I'm hoping that these two keep growing. This is an update on my watermelon. Now there's those two from here. We also have some good peppers here, as you'll see as we go by. Peppers are all doing great. Here's my kale, just so you know. Now here's the other kind of watermelons, the little round ones, the Jubilees or what have you. And they're just round and green. Now, the foliage is great. It's all the way up to here. But I haven't seen any pollinated watermelons yet. So I'm hoping I get some, even if it's on top here. They are really large. The foliage is beautiful. Got some flowers on it. So we'll see. Nothing yet, and they better hurry up because we are in August, so we'll see how they do. Not sure. We've got a ton of grapevines. That's what all this is right here. Just a ton. We do have some grapes that are hidden back here. Look at that. It's just loaded, really. There's some. We do have the green, the red, and the purple grapes. I'm looking for something here. See if we can't see any other grapes. We see little ones coming on, but they're not real big, the purple ones. Now here they are. I don't know if they've gotten enough sun or they're just late this year. The weather has been quite different. But nevertheless, we'll do a video on my grapes. They're just all the way down. The foliage is thick, so we'll see. I'll wait a little while to do a video on that. In the meantime, we'll find out how these watermelons are doing. I'll keep you updated and posted. They look real good so far. A little small, but I'm hoping they'll grow bigger. That's all for this time. Like, share, and subscribe. Just an update for you. And thank you very much for watching.